Hi there, I'm Ivan, and today I'm going to show you Line0, which allows developers to build fully functioning backend API services in just a few minutes. Let's go ahead and see how that works. We'll start by asking Line0 to create us a backend service for an e-commerce website. Line0 also suggests prompt auto-completions, which will improve our instructions when we want to build a new feature. Line0 will analyze our prompt. It's going to think about the endpoints that it has to create, how it has to structure the project, and it's going to start generating the files to implement the feature shortly after. Developers have access to a fully functioning code editor inside the browser. They can see the project files, the newly generated code base, as well as edit the actual code inside the browser. We can continue asking Line0 to build within the same chat, or we can create a new chat for a new feature that we want to implement. That way, Line0 will have an isolated context for the new feature and will produce better results. Let's go ahead and ask it to add a rate limit to our service. Line0 already has context about the project, so it's going to start pulling the necessary code base to implement the new feature. It's going to start generating new files as well as edit existing files to implement it. After it has finished editing the files, developers can see the newly added lines as well as whatever was removed from each file. Line0 has a two-way synchronization with GitHub, which allows developers to connect each project to a repository inside their GitHub account and continue building inside their favorite code editor. Any changes made outside of Line0 will be automatically synchronized and shown on the platform. The next set of features that we will be building are a live preview sandboxes, which will allow developers to test their newly generated APIs, as well as a documentation generation tool. Line0 is currently live in a public beta, so go check it out.